Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Video lectures, class 4, subject English, lecture number 11, book Grammar and Usage. I am your teacher Nabila Amir from Divisional Public School and Intermediate College, Lahore. Contents of today's lecture are Introduction. I will explain the topic and we will solve exercise in your book Grammar and Usage. Our today's topic is gender. We will discuss masculine, feminine and common gender. Students, words expressing male, whether people or animals, are called masculine gender. Now look at some examples. Waiter, uncle, king, horse. These are the few examples of masculine gender. उर्दू में हम इन्हें मुज़क्कर कहते हैं. Okay, words that express female, whether people or animals, are called feminine gender. Now look at some examples. Daughter, princess, queen, tigress. These are few examples of feminine gender. उर्दू में हम इन्हें मुअन्नस कहते हैं. Okay, words that express both male and female are called common gender. Let me explain it through examples. Doctor, it could be both male or female. When we say teacher, it could also be both female or male teacher. When we talk about singer, it could also be both male or female. These are the few examples of common gender. There are three ways of forming feminine nouns. Number one, by using an entirely different word. Now look at these examples. Masculine and feminine: boy, girl, bull, cow, king, queen. Now you can see masculine and feminine are totally different from each other. Number two, by adding a syllable ess. We add ess with masculine to form its feminine. Host, we add ess to make its feminine hostess. Lion, we add ess and make it lioness. Another way of adding ess, after dropping the vowel of the masculine ending. Now look at these examples. Actor, we drop O and add ess, actress. Hunter, we drop E and add ess, huntress. Number three, by placing some letters before or after the masculine gender. Look at these examples. Man, we add WO before man to form its feminine. Hero, we add INE after it to form its feminine, heroine. Let's do an activity, students. Now here is a list of words. You have to choose which one of them is masculine, feminine or common gender. Mother, feminine, student, common gender, waitress, feminine, uncle, masculine, cow, feminine, father, masculine, prince, masculine, pilot, common gender, friend, common gender. Okay students, let's solve exercise 5 on your book, pages 18-19. Open your grammar and usage, take your pencils, sharpen them and write very neatly in blanks. You have to write the correct gender noun. Now look at two columns, male, female. Number 1, female is given lady. You have to write it's male. Gentleman. Number 2, male drake is given. You have to write it's female. Duck. Number 3, female daughter is given. You have to write it's male. Son. Number 4, male uncle is given and you have to write it's female. Aunt. Number 5, female cow is given and you have to write it's male. Bull. Number 6, monk is given. You have to write it's female. Nun. Number 7, bride is given. You have to write it's male. Bridegroom. Bridegroom and bride means dulha or dulhan. Number 8, tiger. You have to write it's female. Tigress. Number 9, female bitch is given. You have to write it's male. Dog. Number 10, hero. You have to write it's female. Heroine. Number 11, female wife is given. You have to write it's male. Husband. Number 12, father, mother. 13, niece, female is given. You have to write it's male. Nephew. Nephew, niece means bhatija or bhatiji. 14, actor, actress. 15, goddess, female is given and you have to write it's male. God. God and goddess means devta or devi. 16, waiter, waitress. 17, female mistress is given. You have to write it's male. Master. 18, author, authoress. Author and authoress means writer, those who write stories or plays. 19, female empress is given. You have to write it's male. Emperor. 20, bachelor. You have to write it's female. Spinster. Bachelor means वो मेल जिसकी शादी ना हुई हो और spinster means वो लेडी जिसकी शादी ना हुई हो. Home task. Learn exercise 5 in your book Grammar and Usage, pages 18-19, which we have done today. I hope you will do it. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.